Welcome to week 4. This is a big week because we are in transition. You are finishing up your primary source essay and beginning the next part, which is your instructor's choice or proposal unit. You can find all of the information for this unit under the Units tab. Unit 2, Instructor's Choice Proposal, is the tab you are now looking for. And under this tab, you will begin with an assignment sheet, which details the criteria for this particular assignment. Below that is the Week 4 folder, and this is to get you started thinking about the next paper. You have a class time invention activity, which as you complete will help you kind of figure out what topic you want to write about. This is giving you some choices. Then the next part is to find some sources for each of your choices. And we've asked you to narrow it down to 3 areas of research and then to come up with 3 articles for each of those areas. There's a research record attached which could help you keep track, as I mentioned, because you are going to be required to post your sources by Wednesday to the discussion board along with your top 3 choices. Also in the Week 4 folder is a proposal PowerPoint, which will give you an idea of what the proposal paper is. The giant length of this is only 2 pages. The idea is just to kind of get you warmed up. This is a beginning for the assignment arc, which is also located in this folder, and there's a PowerPoint to go with that. This is initially the proposal paper is linked to the literature review and the argument paper, which are coming up. So, as I mentioned, by Wednesday of this week, which is September 12th, make sure you post to the discussion board your top 3 ideas for the assignment arc. And again, that's 3 separate papers composed in the assignment arc: the proposal, the literature review, and the argument. Then also on the discussion board, submit 3 sources from the library databases for each of the 3 areas. Schaefer Library is an excellent resource. They're very helpful there. You can ask online, you can ask in person if you're not sure how to locate credible sources to use with this. And then by Friday at 5 o'clock p.m., please reply to at least 2 of your peers' posts. You might have a source in common, maybe an angle to consider, maybe you're writing about an area that somebody else is pretty knowledgeable about. So help each other out and reply to at least 2 of your peers' posts. I'm going to ask you, as you're replying to the posts, please try to pick people who have not gotten any kind of a response yet when you go to reply. That would be very helpful so that everybody gets a response. And finally, the primary source essay is due on Friday. To post this essay, you need to go to the Assignments tab and then go to the Primary Source Essay tab. So it's a different way of posting it. You don't have a journal due this week due to the fact that you have a pretty major paper due. And please keep a saved copy of your paper for the portfolio. Remember, this primary source essay is worth 20% of your grade. You need to make sure you complete this on time. I will not accept this after Friday at 5 o'clock p.m. If you don't do the primary source essay, that's one of the 4 major essays that you write for this semester, and that would fail you. So make sure you have this in. And I do have a revision policy if you go back to the syllabus for revising essays. So please check that out. But remember, part of that policy is you have to turn in the primary source essay by its due date, which is Friday at 5 o'clock p.m. So that's it for the week. Hopefully you have a good week. It's a busy week. We're in transition. You're wrapping up your primary source essay and then beginning the next segment, which is the proposal. So if you have any questions, please make sure you send me an email. I'd be happy to help you, and have a good week.